Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to replace a bathtub faucet. This will be a simple, easy tutorial for a spout replacement within a bathtub. Let's get right into the video. Now there are basically a few different spouts that you can get, a few different faucets that you can get, but essentially they're going to be held in place in one of three ways. The first way is that you're going to feel a notch underneath and there's going to be like an Allen key head or a screw that's holding it in place, and that's going to control the entire faucet. The second way is going to be that you can slide off the slip cover and then there's going to be a screw or an Allen key holding the inside piece in place. And the third way is that it's just going to twist right over top, right? It's just going to twist right onto the actual copper pipe, because beneath here is a pipe that the water comes from. Now, I know that there's a notch under here. I can feel it, and I can feel an Allen key head with my finger. So what I could do is I could take this Allen key, because I already tested it. I know this is the right size. I could go under here and I could loosen it up, but I'm going to let you in on a little trick. In most cases, they're only going to be tight enough that you can still twist them. So what you can do, just see if you can do it, right? Don't force it. If you could twist it upwards, you can make it easier for yourself. So as you can see right here, there's the Allen key head. I'm going to use the Allen key, and what I'm going to do, let's place the camera down, is I'm essentially just going to be, I'm going to be loosening it. So I'm going to take the Allen key like this, and I'm going to loosen this, okay? And we're going to loosen this up, and that's going to allow us to essentially take off the bathtub faucet and the spout, and then we can replace it, okay? Just like this. So I'm loosening it, and as you can see, it's much easier for me to move right now, and then it just makes it easier when if I pull it a little bit away from the wall, it makes it much easier for me to just really loosen that up, okay? So now it should be loose enough, as you can see right here. I can pull it right off. So I'll show you what this one looks like. So the copper pipe that you see right there, I'll show you that in a minute, goes directly into here, okay? And then that Allen key head right there, that sort of tightens it up over top of the pipe. And then it's controlled at the end here to, whether or not it's gonna go to the shower mode or the bath mode, essentially. Shower mode is when you pull that up. Bathtub mode is when you put that down. So basically, like I said, this piece right here just goes over top of this copper pipe. The copper pipe that you have might be sticking out more or less. It might have threads on it. If it has threads, you can twist this on if it's the right type. But essentially what you want to do is you just want to reverse the process for when you are actually replacing or installing the new one. So now that I've removed the old one, I'm going to be honest with you, I wanted to do this tutorial, so I'm not replacing it. I will be reinstalling the same one. But if you have a new one, you're going to just reverse the process. So, like I said, sometimes this is going to come off, and then this is going to be a completely separate piece. The piece with the Allen key on the inside is going to be a separate piece. In this case, it's one, but sometimes it's going to be separate, okay? So what you want to do is reverse the process. If you untwisted the bathtub spout, the bathtub faucet, then you're going to want to twist the new one on. If you had the slip cover, you're going to want to install the slip cover first, like the inside part. And if you just had a one piece like this, like I have, you're going to want to just do the opposite. So for this one right here, as you can see, let's make sure I'm on camera. Yep. For this one right here, I'm going to take it. I'm essentially going to be pushing it back in place, okay? And I'm going to make sure that the Allen key is on top again. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to tighten it up. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to tighten it up like this. So now I'm turning that Allen key screw head clockwise. Okay, and I'm going to do it just like it was before. I'm going to tighten it up just enough to where I can still turn it slightly. So I'm tightening it up on top. Okay, and now I'm still able to turn it downwards, as you can see right there. And what you really want to do is make sure that you push it really tightly up onto the wall. Okay. Just like that. Very simple and straightforward. Now, like I said, some people might have to work with it underneath like that. Depending on the situation, you might have to do it underneath if it doesn't twist. But in this case, it did twist, which was nice and simple. Some people recommend caulking that. Some people don't. It all depends. But that is essentially how to replace a bathtub faucet, aka a spout for the bathtub that comes off of the wall like that. There are basically three different types, like I said, and I've shown you how to do it in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.